Hi, my name is Mike Shearing. I'm a ecologist with the Lost Peatlands Project, and I'm here to tell you about one of the top 10 species for our project, which is the European nightjar. European nightjar is a bird species. It's a trans-Saharan migrant, so it comes to breed in the UK for the summer and then flies back to across Europe and across the Mediterranean Sea and across the Sahara Desert to winter somewhere south of the Congo, as far as we know. And amazingly, they come to breed in the uplands of Wales, mostly in some of our coniferous forestry sites, but also using some of the sites we'll be restoring, so some of the bog habitat in the uplands around South Wales. So we've been doing a lot of work on Nightjar over the last few years, involving monitoring nests, bringing chicks, tracking birds, and as part of the project moving forward, we hope to be doing more of this. What's so important about European nightjar? They're a species that's declined quite significantly in the past, although they seem to be recovering slightly now. They're also a kind of key indicator species in that they're pretty much wholly reliant on moths. So they're a good indicator of a healthy moth population in a habitat. Nightjar are a crepuscular bird species, meaning they only come out at dusk and dawn. And they've got a really distinctive song that you can hear playing in the video here. They nest on the ground and rely on their cryptic camouflaged plumage and eggs to reduce their predation risk. And you can see two chicks here, young chicks here. These chicks were being monitored as part of the monitoring works at one of our restoration sites. And we're also fitting birds with tags, these are GPS tags, to look into their movements around our sites and in the wider landscape to see which habitats are important for these birds and how we can help them as part of the project and in the future.